All right, guys, we are super excited to bring to you today Kelly and Luke, and we have a box here. Wow! I literally just punched myself in the face opening that box.
I always wanted to try these.
What do you even call these things?
These are like from
They're
Tron.
called air kicks.
Anti-gravity boots.
Air kicks.
These are dope.
These are dope. Look at that. They somehow got a picture of my dad. Learn and bound a full workout. Super durable, high traction, anti-skid rubber like tread.
What do you think she's doing? She's going on a run?
Right there? Yeah, she's going on a run. It's a full workout. He kind of looks like he might be doing a like heel flip or something. I hope this fits you guys. Wearing a helmet is cool and safe. US men 7 to 14. You guys are both good because you're 7 and you're 14. Okay, we'll put those on, guys. In the meantime, I got this other beautiful box to open. I don't know what's going on right now with the Braille shipping department, but look at this. What they were like, wow, this thing doesn't fit in there. Just add more cardboard and tape it all together. Whoa! I love how they just attach that right over. We got signed boards. Aaron Cairo board and another Aaron Cairo board. But we're really excited about our new line that is dropping right this second. Look at the Fetty Potter hat. He was like, I could wear a hat with my own name on it. We were like, yes, Fetty, we could wear that. Oh, we have restock on this. A lot of you guys have been asking for that. And then this is my personal favorite. I'm actually just wearing it, so I'll show you that. Boom. We have restock in all these shirts. These are the classic shirts. We got white, black, red. We have these in the shop. We've never had these in the shop before. These are King Foam insoles. They save your feet, they save your life. New first try t-shirt, super sick. No big deal, just right there. I showed this to Fetty and he was like, is that me? And I was like, yes. And then this new shirt, that's a brand new design. And then we have the software hardware, Braille wax. Save your shoes grip tape, go fast and commit t-shirt, stickers. I mean, we literally have anything that you would ever want, and we hope you guys are having fun learning to skate. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and get your gear and learn to have fun skating. Fun like this game of skate is about to be right now.
I know.
Look at his face.
Fun.
I feel like my shoe's gonna slip out. Really?
You can't roll your ankle. You can just tear your ACL.
I was excited and then I realized how tall they are. A lot of room for falling, you know?
Whoa.
You can play basketball now. I'm Shaquille.
This is no worse than moon shoes.
It's like the moon shoes, you roll your ankle, these you break your leg.
Oh man, I really like my legs. I really do. They're the only ones I got.
Can you jump really high?
Ah, my back! Oh! Ow, that cracked my knee already.
These
You're
are
really
definitely
missing
too
out.
big and I could feel off balance already.
Yeah, nothing but complaints out of you, kid.
Why are your arms windmill?
We're supposed to ride a skateboard.
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone just wants us to fall, so they put us in these and we ride a skateboard. I'm more comfortable on the moon shoes.
Seriously?
These are so high from the ground. Snap, snap.
Wow, they're actually both taller than you now.
You know what, Luke? Hey, how stupid this is.
Like this anymore. We don't do it.
Two Goliaths, mano y mano.
Fish, I can't handle this.
Stupid skate, winner takes all.
Whoa!
Rochambeau, fight!
Go. Yeah.
Rochambeau, Rochambeau.
Rochambeau.
Oh, you're first.
All right, roll to this crack to that crack. There's no way. Faster! Ready!
Okay, you can have a redo.
To that line. Give me a little push, someone. That's good. Don't touch him. No.
Ah! Literally an inch away from the line. Not counting it.
Look at the bottom. They're circled. They're not flat. So when you step on the board, it's
You can
just
do a
like,
shove it. It's not that bad.
Hippie jump.
I'm gonna count that. That was good. That was golden. Okay. Wow. That was very well done.
Ollie.
Wow. The entire world has just changed.
That was groundbreaking.
His style is just unmatched.
Is this how tall skaters feel?
He's magic, really.
I'm gonna do a shove it.
Oh, wow.
He's got that.
You didn't feel no shinner, did you?
I don't know if I even touched the ground.
How about roll down a bank?
Shake it.
Straight hash.
Wait. Is my leg still there?
He's fine.
No. I knew he couldn't hang. Maybe he got like a good jump, but that's all.
It's a rebate.
Luke, you're up. Wow, I thought he was dead.
I didn't go fast enough.
Well, I feel like Luke got the drop in now. What is he doing?
Wait, this?
Oh!
Wait, into this?
Yes, sir.
I thought he was just rolling down the bank, and then I saw him rolling this way, and I almost died.
No.
Is that a K? You scared?
Dude,
This is a curb.
it's the wax.
I got this. Luke is so comfortable on those. He probably has like a pair at home and just practices them all the time.
How scary is this?
No, don't talk to me.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Sucks. Why does that keep happening?
Luke, you're up.
Hey, can I use it?
It's already on its last leg.
It's okay, Daniel. I won't break it.
Daniel is so upset.
All right, I call this one the switcheroo.
I have a good feeling about this going really well.
All right, so you're gonna ride and then jump on the other one.
I don't get it.
I missed.
We call these stupid skates for a reason. He's still on.
He was a little squirrely, but we'll give it to him.
I didn't think I was gonna do that.
SMS 1, baby. Boom. That was beautiful.
All right, here we go.
You could take it to the mini ramp.
I couldn't drop in yet. I have to learn that.
These guys are that much taller now.
What's up? Yeah.
Sorry, I can't see you.
Fake you shot.
He's a pretty good flat ground skater.
Kelly finally gets tech. Okay, Kelly, you're up. Let's go.
Remember, it's full park, remember?
I know. Everything looks terrifying.
Yeah.
Board slide.
Everything looks terrifying, and then you go for a board slide.
Yeah, board slide.
They were all like, oh my God, yes, woo! I think we should count it. Yeah, it was good.
How do you pop on that?
You were really close to a board slide.
Oh, got him. He could do that.
What are you gonna do?
Rock fakie.
I didn't go fast enough.
Let's just try to go up the wall. All right, I'm just gonna do a little. Like you just have to kinda somewhat ride up. Oh! That could have been bad. You see my ankle? Dude, my ankle almost broke. It stuck. It got stuck. That's a no way. No can do.
If you do that,
More tries.
it'll change the entire world. What a game. What a game. I can't watch. I can't watch. Come on.
Ready? This is my jump for Kelly. Go, Kelly!
My knee.
Your boots sound soggy. His don't sound soggy. Yours sound like.
They're meant for kids, not men.
Remember, this is an event in the Olympics. You gotta practice.
There's the fall everyone wants.
He's gonna take him out on this 3-star. Watch this right here. First try.
Man, I'm getting too old for this, man.
I'm tempted to try the 5, but I'm not trying to dive. How about into the bank?
Oh, bro, you got that, man. You do your thing. I'll be right here. I'll watch.
He's dead. He needs a helmet.
As long as the springy things land flat on the board and not at an angle, he should be fine, I think.
Ow.
Hashtag respect.
Please don't try it again. Don't.
This is like the moon shoes now.
You ran right out of your boots.
I don't know. All right, your turn. This is where I peak. This is where I just start falling everywhere. One more try. It's broken.
You can do it.
Yes, I can.
Lean more forward, you fell forward. I hate this, man. This is so like, oh man. Every kid's dream. Drop in switch. Whatever this is called. You got it. Oh.
I think he's got it.
Round 2.
Longest game of skate ever in the history of the world.
How many people are like, oh, Kelly took it, Luke took it. No, we're still going.
Like the ender trick is gonna be like the worst trick.
Yeah.
Which is good. We don't die.
I don't know. Drop in, but like from rock. I don't know what else I could try.
What's our start?
Oh god. Did I roll away enough? Come on, I rolled away. Please don't make me do that again. I almost hit my head.
I wish you could have seen his face from here.
This is where everyone's like, oh, Luke won the game. Nope, Kelly's clutch.
Oh, fun.
Yo, what's up, dog?
I'm trying. Dog. No dog. Not yet. No, not yet. I said not yet, Benny. Does that count?
Go for it. Let go of me.
There you go, low. Yeah, let's go, man.
I feel like if I'm going there, like where do I go?
This is so fun. I love it. I didn't even land the regular. I don't think I've ever sweated so much right now. So scary, I'm shaking.
3, 2, 1.
Go. It's just like the vert ramp times 2. Oh man.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Should I redo it?
No.
Okay, I'm fine.
You guys wanted a game! You want the best? You get the best! 3, 2, 1.
This is not cool. Just don't let go. Oh god, my back thing. Oh god. I gotta take a breath. Front foot, back foot. Front foot, back foot. That's all it is. I'm not ready. No, don't let go of me.
My foot's sliding on the wax. You're going. My foot's sliding on the wax.
No, my front foot's not ready.
I wasn't ready.
It was a great game. It was a great game.
I broke my back! Where did my board go? Oh no, we have no skateboards here. We have nothing to complete this mission. Oh god, I have to do this again. Let's do this!
All right, you can't procrastinate. Just go for it.
Thanks, Mr. Uzi Daniel.
No problem. I'm here for confidence.
Let me go.
Land.
that 2 tries? Please tell me that was the 2nd try already. One more try. Geronimo. You happy? Thank God. This is the best feeling. I don't even want to win.
I was trying to say, going pee, oh, I'm losing my voice. Going pee with these shoes on is an experience.
Good game. I'm saying good game. I don't want up yet. Just say good game.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video and had a blast watching this. This is probably one of the hardest stupid skates that they did incredibly well, so we hope you guys enjoyed this. Watch all of the other videos in this series. There's some incredible videos in this series. And then have fun skateboarding. Go ahead and go to the Braille shop at brailleskateboarding.com, and you guys can get all of this rad new gear that we just released, and we're super excited about it. So go ahead and check it out. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let's go, Braille Army Notification Squad!